Using a QT gift card for gas is a convenient and easy process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, ensure that your QT gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover the cost of the gas you wish to purchase. To check the balance on your QT gift card, visit the QT website or call the customer service number provided on the back of the card. Once you have confirmed that your card is activated and has a sufficient balance, locate a QT gas station near you. Upon arriving at the QT gas station, pull up to the pump and insert your QT gift card into the card reader. Select the type of fuel you wish to purchase and authorize the transaction. If prompted, enter your PIN or zip code to complete the transaction. After the transaction is complete, remove your QT gift card from the card reader and take your receipt. It is a good idea to keep your receipt for your records, as it will show the remaining balance on your QT gift card. It is also important to note that some QT gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on their use, such as only being able to be used for fuel purchases or having a maximum daily spending limit. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your QT gift card to understand any restrictions or limitations that may apply. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your QT gift card to purchase gas at a QT gas station. Remember to always keep track of your balance and review the terms and conditions of your card to ensure that you are using it effectively.